At the moment, showers and 15 degrees.
The Morning Fix with Andy George.
I am so trying my best this morning. I've got the hiccups. I've got the hiccups like crazy. Oh, excuse me. And I'm trying to hide them. I don't know if I can. It's not often I get the hiccups, but all of a sudden I have them. So please excuse me. I'm sorry. Anyway, yes, it's September. Oh, excuse me. Oh, no, it's those hiccups. I know it's September, right? But dare I ask what your kids have asked for from Santa? Oh, excuse me. I'm sorry. Please bear with me. Despicable Me minions, cuddly Elmos, and cuddly talking monkeys are said to be on the popular list this year. Oh, excuse me. This is going well, isn't it? Yeah, so Despicable Me minions, right? Cuddly Elmos and cuddly talking monkeys are said to be on the popular list. Oh, sorry. This is distracting. Go away, hiccups. They're said to be on the popular list this year anyway. But I'd love to know what... I'm sorry. What have your kids asked for from Santa already? Or, have they? My daughter Ashlyn has rediscovered her Christmas music CD and it's not going well. She's rediscovered her Christmas music CD and she keeps playing it, right? She hasn't said anything about Christmas though, just yet. But what have your kids asked for from Santa? Love to hear from you. And here's the thing, right? Before 8 o'clock this morning, should I play a Christmas... Should I play a Christmas carol or not? Love to hear from you. And I'm going to get rid of these hiccups, okay?
Wake up with Andy George. Reparoa te rere whakaitu. Te hiotonga te tarawera. The Morning Fix. The Morning Fix with Andy George.